Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Oti. I create content on sewing tutorials and headwear. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how to cut and sew this beautiful cowl kaftan. It is very easy to make. I used 4 yards of Duchess fabric to make this style. If you would love to learn how to make this, please sit back, relax and enjoy the tutorial. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the red button down below to subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's move right to the tutorial. With me here, I have trimmings and Duchess fabric, 4 yards of Duchess fabric. So I'm going to fold the fabric into 4. My fabric has been neatly folded into 4, as you can see. So the next thing I'm doing, I'm ruling my starting line. After that, I'm going to impute my shoulder measurement divided by 2 on the starting line. From my center back to where I want the sleeve length to be is 27 inches. From the center back, I measured 27 inches. Shoulder to my hip line is 25 inches. Then the length of my dress is 63 inches. Shoulder to my knee length is 42 inches. I'll be needing my knee length measurement. Then from the hip to the knee, I find the midpoint, then I marked it. I ruled that into a straight line. On the hip line, I'm going to impute my hip measurement divided by 4 plus 5 inches. I impute the same measurement straight down. Then I rule that into a straight line. This is my midpoint, so I'm going to connect from the sleeve to join the midpoint between the hip and the knee. I'll draw the cowl to join from the shoulder to the midpoint between the hip and the knee. Please make sure to notch your shoulder measurement while cutting. It is very important. Next, the shoulder measurement that you notch, you will use pin to hold it on both sides. After that, you will open the bodice up. The shoulder measurement that you notch, you will use chalk to mark it. I will measure from the edge. I will measure 1 inch downward. Then from that mark, I will measure 1 inch to the left, 1 inch to the right, making 2 inches length. Then I will take to my sewing machine to sew on that 2 inches. I'll repeat the same thing to the other side. I'll measure 1 inch on the left, 1 inch on the right, making the lines to be 2 inches in length. I'll take to my sewing machine to sew on that 2 inches. I've sewn it, as you can see. Then I'll remove my pins. I try not to fast forward this part. The next thing to do, I'm going to fold the edge of the fabric twice and sew it straight down. I'll repeat the same thing on the other side. I'll fold the edge twice and sew it straight down. I've sewn it. This is how it looks. I folded the edges twice and I sew it straight down. I repeat the same thing to the other side as well. As you can see, you will take to your ironing table and you will give it a good press. The next and final step, I'm going to sew the sides, the 2 sides, and hem the down parts. I'll sew the sides with 1 inch seam allowance and hem the down part. That's about it for this style. As you can see, it is very easy to make. This is the final look, guys. This is how it looks. First of all, without adding trimmings to it. I made this for myself. When I eventually wear it and dress up nicely, I'm going to post the video on my shorts. So watch out for the video on how it looks on me. So I'm still going to tack these trimmings to the shoulder later. I will tack it, and I'm also going to use my hot glue gum to stick it to the fabric. So this is how it will look. If you add trimmings to it, it will give it another nice look. We've come to an end of today's tutorial, guys. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you've not done so. I have lots of boo-boo tutorial coming up, so click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, guys. I love and appreciate you all. Bye.